There we go. What in the world? Good morning, everybody. Hopefully you had a solid weekend, everything like that. Let me get my camera pulled up. It keeps doing this weird little glitch out on me. There we go. We will take that. Let me get my market makers in here. There we go. Good morning, Legacy Wealth Society market makers. Good morning, YouTube. We're officially back. Man, computer was trying to give me some disruptions this morning, but we're not allowing that. Not today, Satan. Hopefully you guys are ready to execute to your plans and strategies so we can print some money today. I'm excited because today's another opportunity for us to make the smonnies. We need smonnies today. A lot of them. My girl just got her black card from Starbucks. So I'm like, dang, I gotta tighten up. Morning motion. Good morning, everybody over there on the YouTube streams. Hopefully you had a good night, good weekend, everything like that. Let's see here. At 9:25, I'm going to give you guys where the VWAP, all that great stuff is, just so you can know where it's at. Yeah, Motion, the training is Tuesday night, 7 p.m. Eastern time. Good morning, G. How you doing, brother?
Man, listen, last night,
Uh-huh.
I saw you posted. I saw you was giving out
Evals. Yeah.
I put my name in the thing, and I think I even clicked on the I went on the YouTube thing, but you wasn't online yet. Look at how I woke up the next morning. I'm like, oh shit, damn. I was literally waiting.
Yeah.
Get on. Man, I dozed off, man. I dozed off, man. I don't know if did it say I was in it? Did it say I was in the hangout yesterday? Because I was in it. I was just waiting for you to go live.
I didn't see your name or anything. I can't see who's like jumping on the lives on the YouTube stuff unless you comment, but you probably were there just listening to my voice while you're sleeping. You know what I'm saying? It's okay.
I was.
Yeah. Reminder for all the Legacy family members that are on all the paid tiers. We have a training tomorrow night, 7 p.m. Eastern, going over my full strategy breakdown of what we're doing, what we're looking for, everything like that. So 7 p.m. Make sure you RSVP in the builders tab for everyone that has those tabs. So all the builders, profit takers, and market makers are welcome to the training. Go to the builders tab and click events to RSVP for tomorrow night's training. It's going to be a good old time. We're going to do an hour training session tomorrow night, and we're going to help y'all level up. I saw that Michael Jackson movie yesterday. Pretty cool. It was really good. It was really good. And it was really cool that it was actually his nephew playing him in the movie.
Right.
Like I thought that was really, really cool.
Okay. I probably might go see it probably today.
Yeah, we went over to Winter Garden because they have a really nice movie theater out there, where it's like a restaurant slash movie theater.
Where you went. I know exactly where you went. Is it
It starts with a C, like Cepolis or something like that.
Okay. Is it like in a plaza?
It's a standalone. It's a standalone, but it's over by Pop Stroke. All right, it's 9:25. Let me give y'all where the VWAP, everything like that's at, so I can see, try to figure out where we're going to be going today, right? We got news at 10:30. The VWAP 27,443, 27,443. 21 EMA sitting right here around 417.25, 417.25. The close from Friday, 440.50, 440.50. We got the overnight high, 542.50, 542.50. So literally almost 100 points up for that overnight high. What's up, Rob? Good morning. Then we got that overnight low. Let me actually pull that down because that's slightly off. 344, 344 for the overnight low there. We got a pivot above us all the way up there at 604.25. 604.25, that pivot above us. Let's look for the pivot below us now. And the pivot below us, 298.25. 298.25. I'm honestly just waiting. I'm waiting until 9:45 to execute my trades.
I think the market gonna dump. I think it's gonna be a big drop.
Hey, if the momentum's there, if it's like super duper crazy, I may have to jump in on with the funded, but I'm gonna try waiting until 9:45. It has to be like something like, what was that?
For me, just basic, like for me to get another payout, just base hits 250 a day on my funded, man, and I'm done.
Yep. That's like me right now, right? I was doing my numbers just like on my Apex PA accounts, right? If I base hit those for the next 10 days, only like $300 a day, that's a $16,000 payout. So I'm just like, let me just freaking do some base hits. So we can get that 16 grand from Apex, and I'll be base hitting the Lucid and Tradeify accounts as well. So between those accounts, that'd be another 8,000 right there with those. Like, we're simply base hitting. I'm losing my voice somehow. Don't know why. Don't ask me. Good morning, everybody. We got less than 2 minutes now. 2 more minutes for market open. For the roller coaster ride to start, we're currently going, and we're going to the top. Make sure you get ready to hold your hands above your head when this market opens, because we're going for the ride today. And I'm excited. Oh, I feel like this is like a bear flag right here, right? I feel like this is one massive bear flag that started printing right at, is that 8:30? Let me check. Started building the structure at 8:28 till now. I feel like it's one big flag, but we're going to see what happens at market open, which we got less than a minute left for market open here. How we doing, folks? How we doing? Hopefully. Yeah. 30 seconds out from the roller coaster. Get prepared. Get prepared. What's up, Brent? Good morning, brother. Good morning, sir. Oh, Betsy. What you gonna do? I'm gonna actually have to order me some gallon waters. I'll probably do that within the first 15 minutes of market open here, so it'll keep me out of the market. There's market open. Good morning, Adam. Good morning, Jay. Hey, let's go, Jay. Congrats. What firm was it with, bro? Jay just passed count. Amazing, bro. Happy for you. We got that selling wick off that first candle right there. Look at that selling pressure. And there she goes. With right into a buying wick there. This is why I like waiting the first 15 minutes. Let the market figure out what it wants to do. Nice, Jay. Congrats, fam. I'm actually thinking about getting some more Apex accounts this week. Probably like 8 more accounts so I can get fully funded with them for the full 20. Because it adds up. It adds up pretty quick when you're taking payouts on 20 accounts. So still, we still got this buying wick. So do not go short into a buying wick. Listen, it's never a fun feeling. Trust me. When those buyers push that wick back up and you're sitting in it. Been there, done that. Today, it's all about being patient. Today's the first day of the week. Let's work on having a green day by following our strategies, following our moves, and trusting it. All right, so the market's doing what the market does. Hey! Well, good morning, Cam. My brother's on the stream this morning, on the YouTube stream. Congratulations, sir. You're a winner for showing up today. Adam doesn't like Mondays. I like Mondays because we're able to set the tone for the week. But on Mondays, when there's no real news, you have to be surgical in the markets. All right, let me order this water real quick. Yeah, but get them from Sam's, bro, because...
Cheaper?
Huh? Oh, 100% cheaper, fam.
How much?
At Sam's, it's like $20 for the full box. Whereas Sprouts, I know they hitting you in the head.
Bro, $30, $34, $35.
Yeah, no. Gotta be smart with your money.
I appreciate that, Duane.
No, of course, bro. Yep, the Sam's. The Sam's always has the better price on the Mountain Valley glass bottles. All right, so we're still coming down here a little bit. I want to see better momentum, to be honest with y'all. I don't like these little buying wicks. I don't like these buying wicks on these candles right now. That's why I'm like not even tempted to jump in, because your boy ain't trying to get hurt this morning. All right, I'll get 2 jugs of water because, you know, well, actually I'll do 3 because that'll get me for the next 3 days there. And I just unlocked the free delivery. We'll take that. That's why I did the 3, to be honest. All right, so we still got selling pressure, but it's the buyers keep stepping in, right? So for me personally, I'm not a big fan. I'm not a big fan because at any moment, the buyers can really push. I'm not trying to go short when we're consolidating. If you're looking at the wrinkle bars right there, we're slightly consolidating there, and that's not something you want to touch. Let's see, maybe we get a little bear flag here on this 5-minute. But we're just waiting. We are simply waiting, anticipating to make that money this morning. I'm good. I got 10 more minutes till I'm officially fully cleared to trade. So I'm not even concerned about the market right now. This is the Nasdaq, brother. Welcome back, sir. Welcome back. Reminder for all the folks that just jumped on, that's part of the Legacy family. For all the paid tiers, tomorrow night, 7 p.m. Eastern, we're having a training where I'm going over my full strategy, breaking everything down, breaking down what we're looking for to be able to execute as well. You're getting the ins and the outs. So after tomorrow night's training session at 7 p.m. Eastern for all the paid tiers of the Legacy Wealth Society, you will exactly know how to trade just like me. And if you like how I trade, if you see the results, you will be able to duplicate it if you follow the strategy to the T. I know a lot of you guys already told me you guys are excited about it. So I'm excited because we will be recording tomorrow night's training and putting that in the vault. So definitely excited. I can't get... Steve, what happened? You can't get on. G, you were able to log on to the Zoom with no issues, right?
Right, no issues. No, I'm in. No issues.
Okay. I had to update my Zoom stuff today because it wasn't showing the camera. The screen changed. Okay. Go to the market makers, Steve. So I did move things around in the community. So for the live trading for the market makers, go to the market makers tab. There's live trading right there. Click that, and that's the link for the streams for you guys. Bull's trying to push it back up. That's why I really wasn't trying to go short. You know, I didn't like that buying wick. You know what I'm saying? Like it was giving me the heebie-jeebies. G, you had logged in by going to the market makers or no?
Yes, I went to the app.
Yeah.
Did it the way I always do it.
Okay. No, in the community, I move stuff around. So the live trading link for you guys is officially in the market makers tab.
Yeah, I had to go through the market makers because the other one.
That's what I do. That's all I do. I just go on the app and I click live trade and then jump on.
Okay. So Steve, just slide over to the market makers tab. Up top, you'll see the little tab that says live trading inside the market makers. Click that. There we go. There we go. He's back. He's back. Good morning, BP.
Dr. BP.
Alrighty, we're in the middle of this range right now. The 15-minute range has not been completed yet, but we're sitting here in the middle of it. Somewhere where I would not diddle in the middle. We gotta play it safe. Today's Monday. We have no real news today. We got news at 10:30, but it's not real news. So we're going to see what we get. That's all we can do today. We're going to see what we get. Yeah, I'm just dialed. I'm waiting because I only need, if I copy trade my Apex accounts for 10 days, and I say 10 days so I'm not having to like make extra money on each account per day. 10 days, that's a 16K payout just from them. That ain't too bad. Makes you want to sit back and relax and just wait for those moves. My goal for the month of May is over 20 grand, under 40 grand. Well, under 50 grand actually. So that's the goal for the month.
Like above 20 grand.
Under 50 grand.
Above 80 grand, but below 50 grand.
Looking like we're trying to get a little bull flag right there. I'm still not going to be touching this until this range is completed.
Well, I'm following the rules.
Yeah, gotta follow the rules, man. Listen.
See what the market is doing.
The rules are there to help you level up, right? They're not there to keep you from trading. No, they're there to keep you safe. And some of you have your own rules. So follow your rules. And that's all you gotta do. What's up, Zoom? Welcome back, brother. No real plays yet. No real plays. We're just waiting. All we can do right now. Is this trying to do another little bear flag? I'm not sure today. I'm not sure. I gotta see more momentum. We don't really have momentum today. We need some good old momentum for me to get excited.
We like it.
All right, we got less than 4 minutes now for the range to be completed. Less than 4 minutes now. Yes, I wait the first 15 minutes of the range to be completed. So that way we know what direction the market may try going in. Because that 15-minute range, even if you're not trading like orb strategies or anything like that, it's a good range to understand and know where the market has been. Because if it's in the middle going sideways, you don't trade. If you're at the top, you can target possible breakouts. If you're at the bottom, possible breakouts to the low side. And anywhere below the middle or above the middle of the range, you could be looking for those flaggy flags to take you to the high and the low of the range. Just saying, folks, that 15-minute range is important to know. For me, at least. I don't know about y'all. Brenda's from downstairs yelling, it's very important. So she's feeling nice today because she got her black card coming. She got her black card coming in the mail from Starbucks. You know what I'm saying? So she geeked right now. She's like, oh yeah, we're on the phone. She's like, yeah, my black card's coming. Like, your black card? What did I miss? You know what I'm saying? From Starbucks.
So what does that mean? You get a black coffee anytime you want with a black card?
That just shows how much money she spends at Starbucks.
Oh,
Well, I shouldn't say how much we spend at Starbucks. Where she's gotten a black card now, a metal black card from Starbucks. So the joys, gentlemen, the joys. All right, we got less than 2 minutes here. This is looking like a little bear flag. I want to jump in on it, but I don't all at the same time. The range isn't completed yet. And I'm trying to follow the rules to the T, because by doing so, that's how we get the results. Because we're all trading for the results. And to get the results, you have to follow your rules. Good morning, everybody on the YouTube streams. Hopefully you're having a solid Monday morning. You're live with myself and the Legacy Wealth Society Market Makers. And we simply try printing some monies each and every day of the week in the markets. We go live every day, 9:20 a.m. Eastern for these morning sessions. Then every single night, 9:30 p.m. Eastern for the Traders Hangouts, where we're doing giveaways, we're talking trading, we're talking life, and everything in between. Make sure you're hitting that like button and that sub button so you can always be notified when we go live. And I don't know, I woke up feeling, I got some good rest last night, not gonna lie. But I woke up today feeling like a little DJ. I don't know if it's because I watched that Michael Jackson movie yesterday. I don't know what, but your boy... Like this.
Starting something. All of a sudden, he's like, "Want to be starting something?"
All right, we're below that 21 EMA, but we're pushing up to it. There we go, tapping that 21 EMA there. I'm honestly right now. These market conditions have me where I don't even want to touch it. We're not getting a lot of movement. Feel like it's Asian session right now. I don't like that. I know some of y'all like the slower movement. I like volatility. I like the ups. I like the downs. And I don't like all around sometimes, but I like the ups and downs. This thing just needs to figure out what it wants to do. Because I'm dialed. I'm ready to execute some trades. Less than a minute now. Less than a minute for this range to be fully completed. Let me give you guys the high of the range. The high of today's 15-minute range, 435. 435 is the high of that range for today.
But stopped at a Camarillo pivot.
I'm thinking about actually adding those onto my screen because you keep calling them out and they be bouncing on them.
They do.
And I don't have it. So y'all, the Camarillo pivot. I'm like, where? Help. You know, it's like, oh, or I'll take a trade. Yeah, you just took it right on that Camarillo pivot. I was like, oh, great. Excited. All right, the low of this range, the low of the range, 353.50. 353.50 is the low of this range. Let's see what we get here. I'm going to move this line down right there. Let's see if we get... All right, we just broke out of the range. Back into the range. Which is a good sign, but we need some momentum. Nice. That's awesome for them, BP. Oh, they weren't. I thought you said were. That's annoying. Yeah, look at these freaking buying wicks right here. Like, that's what has me like where I don't want to go short. Like, those buying wicks on those candles makes me not want to touch it right now for a short. So if you're very bear biased today, like, let's clear some wicks. Oh, look at that.
What were you saying, Duane?
Hey, I don't want to hear. Hey, I'd rather something like that happen and I'm not in than me be in and it goes in the opposite direction.
Yep. No, absolutely.
Just saying.
Or it does it and comes back so fast you can't close out of it and you're like, ah.
All right, we're shooting down to this first target. My first target is 313. 313. Well, 312.75 actually. 312.75. But I'm not liking these wicks today. I may have to throw like a stop loss on just to like keep me extra safe. Because look at that buying wick that brought that price right back up. Right back into the 15-minute range there. We did make new lows, but BP, what you feeling, bro? What you feeling, BP? Back into the 15-minute range. Yeah, I don't know. I'm a real trader. Sometimes I don't know. I'm taking my dog out right now. All right, BP doesn't know yet either. He's taking his dog out walking. That's when you know it's bad. When BP's taking his dog out walking during the stream, that means he's not trying to take a trade yet.
Yeah, BP is very wise. And I've told him that many times.
If this is going to be the price movement for me today, I may not even take a trade today. I'm jacked on the juice to take a trade today, but it gotta be right. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not just trying to click the button just to click the button. So who's up, who's down, and who's flat right now? Who's already taking trades? Who's made some money? Who's lost some money? And who's not even taking anything yet? Selling pressure, but still got that wick on that 2-minute previous candle. All right, that was a little bear flag right there. I still don't like these wicks. Nothing yet. I feel that. All right, we're getting ready to clear that previous candle wick. Let's see how we react once we break this low, the 325 level. All right, we just broke that 325. Coming down to that first target. That 312.50. 312.50 was that first target I had. Then below that, we got a pivot point. 298.25 is that pivot. So if we come down, we hit that first target, 312.50. At that point, I would want us to see us build a little bear flag. All right, just tapped it. Let's see if we get, no, this thing's going to run right to that pivot. I would like to see us build us a little flag before going down to that pivot. Because we got that hold number, that 300 level as well. We got 20 seconds left on this candle. 20 seconds left. I'm not trying to chase this. I have to see another flag in order for me to be able to jump in. Because the flags repeat themselves. That's the cool thing about it. So on this 2-minute chart right here, we had this flag right here, but I didn't like that candle wick, right? So that's why I didn't jump in on this, because I didn't like that wick. We cleared that wick. So let's see if we build a flag right here.
That's where they're going to try to trap you. That's what.
Yep, that's why I ain't trying to get trapped. It's Monday. Nope, you ain't trapping me. Not today, Satan.
As soon as they try to put that short, then boom, reverse. What's up?
Get ready to tap that pivot.
What you gonna do? Is he gonna go through the pivot?
$298.25 is that pivot. Haven't tapped it yet.
So
all right.
Look at it. Up.
Yeah, let's see if we get this bull flag, a bear flag right here.
Right.
Let's build some structure.
Up. Come on, keep going up. All right, it's in the 30s. Come back to the 400s. That's what I want.
Look at that wick on the 5-minute. I'm not feeling these buying wicks today when I'm looking for a short.
Yeah, that's tough, man.
We got 7 more minutes. 7 more minutes for 10 o'clock. 7 more minutes for 10 here. And this candle has pretty much came up the entire pole. So unless the bears push it back down pretty aggressively here, your boy's not feeling it. Again. Yeah, I'm not trusting that new candle that's printing on the 2-minute right there because it's too small. I want a more of aggressive pushback down. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, we're going back to that 15. Easy. There we go. There's the 15.
Way back up. I knew
it. Hey, we were trying to make sure we weren't getting trapped.
Right.
And that's why I was very hesitant. I didn't want to take it.
I knew it was going to happen. That's why I was like, nope, not going to short.
Yep. And
up more. Probably like in the 400, 420 area. And I don't know. We'll see if I can short then over there in that area. Because we're still in like a bearish market.
Well, we just pushed through the 21 EMA there. Just pushed through the 21 EMA. Get ready to come up and tap that middle of the 15-minute range as well. The middle of the range sitting there at 394.25. 394.25 is the middle of the 15-minute range. Somewhere where we don't diddle in the middle. Good morning, everybody on YouTube. Hopefully you guys are staying safe in the markets today. Me and the Legacy Wealth Society members and market makers, we're chilling right now. We got to see clean moves to execute. No clean moves, no trades. That's how it goes. Because we're doing this thing long-term, not short-term. So we're not trying to get rich overnight. We're not swinging for the fence. We're just trying to get on base. We got a training tomorrow night, 7 p.m. Eastern, for all the paid tiers for the Legacy family. 7 p.m. Eastern time, we are going over my full strategy, breaking it down in a way you guys have never seen because it's behind closed doors for a reason. And you guys are going to understand and be able to duplicate the system for yourself to get the same results we be getting.
Awesome. Awesome.
I would like to see us print a little bull flag if we're going to keep going up. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'd be looking for. We got that VWAP. VWAP sitting up there at 417.25. 417.25. So we get above the middle. We get above the middle of this 15-minute range. I may try targeting that VWAP. But we got to have some good mo. No good mo. No trade.
Momentum.
Yeah, we need that mo.
No momentum, no trade.
So we got through the middle of the 15-minute range. Now we're below it again. I want to see a little bull flag print. Just a baby. It could be a baby bull flag for all I care. I am not willing to risk it for the biscuit when the market's moving this bad. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm hoping to execute some trades today, at least 2 trades a day.
I remember when you did your Michael Jackson phases. I'm remembering now.
Let's see. Maybe we get the flag right here. Let's turn this candle red. I would greatly appreciate the market to listen to me right now because I want to be able to jump in.
A short or a buy?
For a buy. I'll be targeting that VWAP above us at 417. 417. We're at this 400 level as well.
Moose is calling.
So that whole number, right? The market moves kind of weird on whole numbers. So that's why we always got to be mindful of where the price is actually at.
Moose just called me, so I got him square. He'll be on the Zoom in a second.
The moose is here.
Hey, the moose, the man, the myth, the legend.
I didn't realize that each tab had a link as well.
Yep.
Where is it?
Yeah, I moved stuff around over the weekend.
Okay. Got it. I can only be on for a couple minutes. I gotta go to Kissimmee.
You're good. We appreciate you jumping on with us.
Yes, it's always good to hear your voice.
Come on, you know.
Let's get the retracement.
How's everybody doing today?
Another day in paradise.
Yeah, yeah.
Awesome, awesome. Anybody take a sell or buy?
I'm in one right now. I may close this here in a minute if we don't get the push.
You in the sell?
I'm in a buy. I'm in a buy.
I think it's gonna go up.
It's just being slow with it right now. I don't like the slowness.
Yeah.
Being slow with it.
We got news coming up, right?
At 10:30, 10:30.
Okay.
Bulls having some struggles right there trying to push it. Let's see if they finally get it. Definitely not a micro scalp right here.
Say not.
We're below that middle of that 15-minute range as well. Yeah, either the Bulls push or I'm closing because I'm not liking this price movement right here. Come on, Betsy. Give me that bull flag. We just need that momentum here. Been sitting on this, waiting. Nope. Let's see if we get the push here. I'm watching my Renkos very like a sniper right now. If we don't get the type of movement I want on the Renkos, we'll kill it. This should be the push right here, but let's see if we get it. So having issues getting through that 400 level. All right, we're through that 400. We should run at least to like 410. Oh, we just rejected. Yeah, I'm killing this. I don't like how we just did that little pop back down like that. Right through that 21 EMA as well. I closed that. No, we did not get that move. What's up, official? We're back below that 21 EMA as well. Slightly annoying. This may be the roll here. I'm not trying to sit in that trade any longer. So if we pop up, we got to get well above that 410 level at this point for me. I was targeting that VWAP. But if we stay below this 21 EMA, we got, yeah, we're probably going to see a little bear flag get printed here. Or watch this be the pop that I was waiting for. No, we still got selling pressure. Let me rotate. I'll come back to these accounts. Let's see. 74. We're through that 400 level. Back below it. So right here in the middle of the 15-minute range. No-go zone. What's up, Red? Good morning. Hopefully you guys are doing well this morning. We got 37 seconds left. Pretty much 30 seconds. And I'm waiting because we may get us a little... If the next candle's red, we're going to drop below that 21 EMA and probably head back down here. $20 seconds. I want this candle to stay green, though.
Oh, wait, what did you say about the candle? It's like, nope.
I wanted it to stay green. I need the bulls to just turn it green. It could be a baby green for all I care. All right, stay green, stay green, stay green, stay green. There we go. We get through my yellow line with momentum. Let me move it down just a little bit below that wick for extra confirmation. Yes, you can copy trade on Tradeify. I copy trade on Tradeify. So yes, you can as well. Let's break below my yellow line. What's up, DH? It's like trying to avoid my yellow lines today. But I want us to push through it with follow through. And I'll take the short. There we go. $4,000 right there. I will gladly take $4,000 right there. Thank you.
Never mind. I was ready to yell out what I made. Forget it. See you tomorrow.
Yeah, I should have held. But there we go.
Me and you got out at the same time, and I'm ready to be like, hey, I made, and you're like 4,000. I'm like, yeah, forget it. Yeah, forget it. Let me know.
So $4,000 right there. Copy train 11 PA accounts with Apex. So that one little hit, if I stayed longer, would have been even more money. But $4,000 right there. We'll take that. We will gladly take that. Let me rotate over to my Lucid account.
Where's Carmona? Carmona. Where's Carmona?
He's quiet. He's quiet. He may be at work, bro.
He got a job?
He got a job. Yeah. But my freaking goal for the next 9 days now, I literally need to make $360 per day. That's it. $360 per day will give me pretty much $17,000 for a payout from Apex.
Nice.
I don't need much. But we're going to base freaking hit it. And we're going to get that money. That's it. We're going sideways in this range right now. For me to take another trade, I'm gonna have to wait because I'm not liking this price movement today. And what's so freaking crazy, right? I'm working, actually, I gotta finish working on some of the evals this week because I want to be fully funded with Tradeify and Lucid as well. 5 funded accounts per. And I'm also probably going to start tomorrow on adding 8 more 8 more evals with Apex. Because my goal is to have 20 with Apex, 5 with Lucid, 5 with Tradeify, and I just base freaking hit them. Because off of 11 accounts, I just did over $4,000. So with the way the math be mathing, say I got 20 accounts that I just did that base hit. That's a pretty day. That's a pretty penny. Big money. Hey, that's what we going for, fam. That's what we going for. We're still below this 21 EMA. Now we're above it. Like, I just want to get either going towards the high of this range or add the low of this range currently for me to even feel like I want to do anything with it. I am shooting for the largest payout of my trading career from prop firms in the month of May. Because if I really want to make it like super dummy proof for myself, if I just base hit the minimum days, like $200 a day for the month, oh, that puts me where I need to be as well. So tons of ways to skin the cat. No, I can if I wanted to, but why? Like, it's so much less risk trading with prop firms than personal funded accounts.
Remember, you need to have one that you do, and you have a theme song. I told you.
Motion. I like I said, right now we're going sideways. Like, that's not the action we want. We like ups and downs. We don't like sideways. Even the Rincos are showing more consolidation than anything. Because it's not like we're seeing clean, clear momentum on the Rincos this morning. Have a good workout, Rob. Sorry, bro. Sorry to hear that, fam. We're below this 21 EMA. Come on, Betsy.
Are you in? Yeah, right?
I jumped in, but I'm not liking it right now.
I was in, and then I closed, and it closed at zero. So actually, I paid for that trade.
You paid for that?
And I mean, I've never seen that amount of slippage in a while. So I think I might be done for today. Just do it tonight.
Yep. Do what works for you, bro. Do what works for you.
Well, it's like, this is nothing's looking exciting right now.
How my girl text me, want to redo the bathroom with me? This looks easy. And she sent me a TikTok. Absolutely not.
So you're gonna decorate it with the bathroom with your girlfriend? That's amazing.
She wants to. No, I don't want to redo the bathroom. We will pay somebody to do that. Like, absolutely not.
What's going on, fellas?
Hey, Mr. BP in the flesh. What's up, brother?
I'm doing all right.
I hope so.
Looking at this chopped suey right here in the last hour or so.
Yeah, it's not the best today. But I low-key want to take another short on these PA accounts. Because...
You're starting to get you because you're trying to clear them, but the thing is, man, be safe.
No, I know. I just see we clear that previous candle wick. We're going to break out this 15-minute range. Yeah, I feel like it'll be on and popping again. That's all.
I actually messaged BB last week and it was cool.
So we're at the low of this 15-minute range right here. No, I'll actually switch back over to the Tradeify and wait on these, clean these up a little bit. Definitely chopping right now. Tap my yellow line and use it as a springboard to push up a little bit. I want to get out of this range right now. I want to break the low of this range, possibly target the first target again once we break out here, which was 312.75. But we need some good momentum. We need clean momentum right now. Down 300, about to full. No, don't full port, bro. Please don't. We got a little bear flag trying to form here. We got news in 10 minutes as well. News in 10 minutes. Yeah, this thing playing right now. It's trying to draw us in to like hypnotize us.
Just looking at this real quick, I would want to see NQ take out 348 before we go. Like before, I'd want like to see more like shorts taken out, just because like right now it's kind of like miscorrelating.
So pretty much BP saying, don't take it short. That's what he said. For the people in the back of the class, BP saying, do not take it short yet.
It's looking like a buy though.
In English means.
Okay, so the S&P 500 came and ran that previous low that correlates with the NQ, and so that correlated low for NQ is at 348. So it's showing that we're having like some buying pressure before we're taking out that low on the NQ. So I'd kind of want to like nullify it or like negate that miscorrelation first before like taking a short.
Well, the captain has spoken. I'm not taking it short yet.
He said that as if it was more simple.
I did try to simplify it.
He's like, oh, you didn't understand Chinese? I'll speak German.
I'll speak German. This is a little bear flag right here, right? I just want the momentum. I need the momentum for me to actually execute.
Yeah, this could be like a bear flag that goes to nullify that, which would be a good entrance still. But I just would be a little scared to take it personally just because of the miscorrelation.
We're tapping my yellow line. We haven't gotten that follow through. And until I get that follow through, there's no execution. I'm up $4,000 in my Apex account, funded accounts. I'm down $1,200 on my Tradeify account. So we're gonna have to clean this up if possible. If possible. If not, I'll base hit it tomorrow.
I think if we are gonna reject, I kind of want to see it reject like before we get a candle closure above like 378.
Okay. I'm kind of nervous too, right? Because I'm seeing something. Let me move some lines here, right? Because once you start seeing flags, you see them everywhere. What does that look like right there? We got the pole. We got structure.
Oh,
You know. All right, we're through my yellow line. Let's break out of this 15-minute range. Just waiting because this thing, I don't know. This thing may try running. Yeah, not a clean day so far. Official hit me with my own lines a day. Take the bag and run. Don't wait for the cops.
Maybe attempting to see.
I'm already up $4,000 on my PA account, so that's why I'm like, we may take another trade on these Tradeify accounts, clean them up just a little bit. Not trying to get it all back. Just a little base hit. Just a little base hit. We're back below that 21 EMA. We're kind of like in no man's land right now.
Yeah, we're dancing because we haven't gotten the confirmation for longs yet. It's trying though.
We just don't, for me, we don't have enough momentum right now for me even want to click the button. Like, I gotta see clean, clear momentum. On that 5 minute, looking like a bear flag on that 5. Yeah, we're just in a dangerous spot here. And close to news. Good call out, Warrior. We got 10:30 news. 10:30 news. We either need a rocket ship or a waterfall. Because right now, this momentum's not it.
I would like to see your bear flag go and then like nullify the miscorrelation, and then like shorts could probably play out after that.
Yeah, we just don't have enough selling pressure.
I feel like if we don't go and take it out, it might just be like somebody's building up like a bullish position before the news.
Yeah. Yeah, well, right now we're just going sideways, so. What's up, talent? We always live, bro. We go live every day, twice a day. So we always live. Don't get chopped. Do not get chopped right now. Right now, we're just going sideways. We got less than 2 minutes for the news to come out. Which is annoying that we're so close to news where if this flag does try doing something, I don't really want to take it because we have news. Like, come on, Betsy.
We're doing it.
Let's get below the 15-minute range here. We got less than a minute for the news now. Less than a minute here. I got the finger on the trigger. Finger on the trigger. 30 seconds left for the news.
When you say finger on the trigger, are you talking about longs or shorts?
It depends on where the momentum goes, BP.
That's true.
Whichever direction the momentum wants to go in, that'll be the direction I'll be going in. Easier said than done.
Steve, what we get here in like
5 seconds.
Whoa.
Whoa, watch out. Markets are crazy. The news came out.
Whoa.
Where did it go to?
Nothing happened.
Oh, here we go.
Wow.
Who saw that?
Alright.
Who saw that? Who saw that?
It's taken.
Nothing. That's funny.
We finally broke below that 15. Target, my target would be 312.50, 312.50. But we don't have clean momentum. That's my issue.
We need to get some SMT in here, like some lower highs and lower lows. Let's get something that I can read.
am in a short. I don't know what that.
I don't like how it did that little jerk there, so I closed that. I'm not feeling this. I mean, stop, Trey. I cleaned up like $100, but I don't like that little sporadic little jerk it did.
Base hit. 410 on that trade. On my funded.
Hey, let's go, G. Good job, bro. Bisectional trigger.
Base hit, baby. That's it for that funded for the day.
Yeah, I'm done with my PAs today. I'm not going to touch those.
That's it for my PA today, man.
Up $4,000. I'm good on those.
I went back to my eval. So I'm about, let me see, $1,100 away from a funded account.
Hey, let's go, G.
What this market trying to do?
Crazy. Crazy. That pisses me off. I took an extra trade I shouldn't have. Pulled back on me. That's Aggie. Finally, a move. Hasn't even been an hour. This thing's slow today, bro. I hate slowness. Hate slowness. Looking like a little bear flag here.
Yes, right about that. You're right about that, Duane. You ain't lying about that. Wow. It's on the 2 minute, right?
Yeah, but we got just not like the momentum today. Not enough of it.
It's looking like yeah, but the momentum is just doing otherwise. Okay. Doing this little push up a little bit. And then right back down as she goes. Watch.
We tapped that low, that 15-minute range there as well.
Going back up. Stay back up, fella. Ray jumped in.
No. I'm sitting here, bro. I'm sitting here. This market is moving horribly right now. So I'm sitting.
Probably got another 30, 35 minutes and then you're done, huh? No more trading? Done for the day?
Oh, I'm probably done trading right now. I'm gonna stay on the stream, but this thing ain't moving the way it needs to be moving.
Guys, I'll see you later.
Have a good one, Moose.
All right.
Take care, man.
Like that random pop, that makes 0 cents.
Wow.
Like 0 freaking cents right there. That's what I'm saying. It's not moving the way it should be moving.
No, that's see, those are type of like moves that man, Dwayne, them shits, that's what be getting me. That's what be blowing my account.
Yeah.
I just literally just pause and look at the screen and I'm like, what's happening? I'm like, what just happened? It's a good and a bad thing. If it's going your way, it's a good thing though. But you quickly get out that damn trade, bastard, for quick as hell.
We're right here close to the middle of this 15-minute range. Yeah, boys. I honestly would be hands off. Hands off for me.
Hands off, baby. Hands off. Damn. You know
Yeah,
what?
I can't.
Oh my goodness.
Like, even the doodles aren't even making sense today. You know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, we're just going sideways on the low end of this 15-minute range here. If I were you guys, I wouldn't touch this because I ain't touching this anymore. We got to get some crazy momentum at this point, get above that VWAP for me even want to take any like longs. And right now, I'm not even trusting these shorts either. We're right here, getting below that 21 EMA. What we feeling, BP? What you thinking, bro?
Let's see.
I'm just not liking this price action.
Yeah,
For me.
I mean, we've really just been inside of like the same like range today.
Listen, once we break out of the range we're currently trading in today, it should move pretty well. It's just, are we going to be here when it finally breaks out the range that we're in? That's $1 million question. What would be really cool that if I'm able to get these funded accounts to where I want them in 10 days, like by Friday, that'd be solid. Take that pay on Friday. Call it a day.
I believe in you, man. You definitely can do it. Anyone can. It's you.
Oh, just base hitting, bro. Not pushing, not rushing. I don't even want to touch this. Like, we gotta get out of this 15-minute range for me to even like consider anything for a short, because it's not heavy enough for me. Need that momentum looking heavy. But I feel like we're getting very bullish looking flags, right? But they're not moving.
I feel like this flag is like one of the first ones to not go like super duper far down the pole though, so maybe.
And then I look at that 5 minute, and then that 5 minute's just like, yeah, don't touch me.
Yeah, the 5 minute is dancing.
It's just sideways, completely sideways.
Yeah, any more chop, and we'd have that classic barcode scanner.
Because hey, if I could add like a couple $100 more to these PA accounts, I'm not complaining, but it gotta be clean and clear. Clean and clear. I'm only live today till 11. Only live today till 11 here. So hopefully we get a move within the next 17 minutes. Oh, Marky, what are you trying to do? You're putting us all to sleep today. Did y'all see that craziness that happened over the weekend at the little dinner Trump was at? That was crazy.
No, I didn't hear about it.
Yeah, so a lone gunman, he did it smart somewhat. He had like a room at the hotel that they rented out, like a ballroom at, ran through security trying to pop off shots.
Damn.
Yeah, straight craziness. Crazy world we're in. What was that?
So he probably didn't make it very far.
No, he didn't get past the lobby, but he tried. Let's see, we get up to that yellow line with follow through. That top one, maybe that'll be a long, but for me personally, this market has been chopping and dirty today.
We have a possible bearish tell. NQ failed to run these highs over at basically 9 o'clock. I mean 10 o'clock. Yeah, basically NQ failed to run those highs at 10 o'clock. So unless we go up there and try to mitigate that area, then we probably could try to look for some kind of short opportunity.
Yeah. Well, we got the little flag right there, but I'm not trusting these flags, bro. Not today. There's not enough momentum. Like, I made $4,600 today. I'm pissed. Because I took L's on some Tradeify accounts today. Green 4,600 on PAs, red Tradeify accounts. I like clean across the board.
most of the other assets have kind of just been sitting inside of the 15-minute orb, and then the rest of them have kind of. I mean, NQ is the only one that's actually like dipped out of it, really. Like it
Okay.
came out of the bottom.
Yeah, we came right back in right there. Sideways. We're going sideways.
Yeah, we've primarily just been inside this range.
And that just means when it finally breaks out of this range, it's going to be good. It's just going to probably be when I'm not here.
Yeah.
That's it. Tonight, we got the traders hanging out 9:30 p.m. Eastern. Talking trading, talking life, and everything in between. So make sure you guys come out for it. Hopefully tomorrow we get some better action. Let me see if we got news tomorrow. Like real news. Oh, we got news at 11. Well, I'm looking for tomorrow. Let me scroll down here. The 28th. We'll have 8:15, 8:55, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 10:30, 11. Tomorrow we got more news stuff going on, so hopefully tomorrow moves the market a little bit better than today. Because right now this thing's just chopping. Any big plans for anybody this week or today? What are we doing today, family?
Let's see. Probably just gonna go get either lunch or dinner with my girlfriend, honestly.
Nice.
And then what is it? Tomorrow, my friend who passed away's fiance asked me if I could help her change her spark plug, so I'm gonna go do that.
Well, that's very nice for you to do, sir. Luckily, you're mechanically inclined.
Yeah.
Nice, DP. How nice.
It's from all those years of doing a freaking small engine repair.
Yeah. More power to you. Because for me personally, anything mechanical, like going under the engine, I'll pay somebody. I don't trust myself. I'll change like a headlight or a bulb. Well, other than that, no.
Air filter.
Yeah, Brent, today hasn't been a really. Today's going sideways. Sideways action. Those aren't good days of trade. Coming up to my top yellow line. But I don't trust it. I don't trust it. Tap my yellow line and came right back down. Yeah, we just chopping. What's up, Lucas? Good morning. This is like painful for my eyes to watch at this point. Patience is a skill, 100%. 100% patience is a skill. You are correct about that. We were just ready. We were ready for the roller coaster today, and it's just like a kiddie ride. That's it. You know what I'm saying? Like, we are looking for some loops. We are looking for some major drops, some rocket ships, nothing. We broke through my yellow line. I just don't feel like we have enough momentum. Just looking at the Rinkos, we don't have what I want to see on them. Perfect analogy. We're back below the 21 EMA. Okay, that was weird. I didn't get my full fill, but I made a little bit. Let me see if it copy trade on all of them, because that was it did not copy on trade all of them. It went on some, but not all. Came down, pretty much tapped the low of that 15-minute range there.
I don't like this.
What part about it?
I just don't like how this looks today. I wish it would have been better, like you were saying.
I was hoping we were going to get some like massive drop or pump today. We break through the low of this 15. Maybe I'd take a momentum play here. Pretty much over $5,000 a day on PA accounts. All right, just broke out the 15-minute range. I just don't like, I'm going to have to hold my hand to not trade. Don't trade. Because I want to do a momentum play, but we don't really have much momentum today. So it has me a little bit more hesitant.
Understandable. I mean, there has been, like you said, there's been no momentum.
And we're back in the low of the 15-minute range as well. So, yeah, I need 11 o'clock to hurry up so I can get off the stream because I ain't trying to mess up. Up over $5,000 for the day on my Apex PA accounts, but But just know when this thing finally breaks, it is going to be fast and good. Back below the 15-minute range there, just clear that previous candle wick. Got that buying wick. Right back to the 50. Yo, this is crazy. Straight craziness. Straight craziness. We have a training tomorrow night, 7 p.m. Eastern time with the Legacy Wealth Society builders, profit takers, and market makers. Going over my full strategy. Breaking it completely down. Going to have the slideshow and everything ready to help you guys level up your trading and actually get real results from the markets that you will actually enjoy. Heading up to this 21 EMA, getting ready to tap it. We're about, there we go, right through the 21 now. Just playing this range a day. Just playing in this range. The bull said, okay, now it's my turn to start pushing up a little bit so we can chop. We got less than 3 minutes, coming up on 2 minutes left till 11. 2 minutes left for 11. Morning. Hopefully you're doing well. Appreciate the blessings. We love blessings, okay? We love blessings here. Especially when the market ain't giving us blessings a day. Right back down. Alrighty. We have not gotten flags. We have not gotten clean flags or clean momentum. So with my strategy, that means I really can't do anything. We are up over $5,000 today on Apex PA accounts, but I'm still not satisfied. I'm not happy with that because I'm red in some Tradeify accounts. All right, we got news in 7 seconds. News in 4 seconds now. Here comes some news. Let's see if it moves the market any type of way. And no. Did not move the market. What's up, brother? Another day in paradise. Another day in paradise. I'm going to be jumping off soon because the market is literally just chopping here. And we don't trade chop. I made some money today. I lost some money today. Just another day trading the NQ. Tonight we got the Traders Hangout, 9:30 p.m. Eastern. Talking trading, talking life. And we're going to be prepared to do this thing all over again tomorrow morning. Ready to freaking print. Yeah, it's that time for me, boys. I'm jumping off. For all my market makers in here, stay safe in these crazy slow markets today. BP, Carmona, G. Hopefully you guys have a great rest of your day, family.
Thank you. You too, Duane.
I will catch y'all later.
All right,
Peace
Dre.
out, y'all. You guys have a good one.
You too, BP.
All right, have a good one.
You hear me?
G and Carmona, you too.
All right.
Yeah, I'm gonna save some good questions for tonight. Yep. Jay, save them for tonight, bro. I'll get them answered. You're welcome. You're welcome. All right, YouTube family and legacy members on the YouTube stream, have a great rest of your day. Stay safe in these choppy markets. I will catch y'all tonight for the Traders Hangout. Be blessed, family. Enjoy the rest of your day. I'm out.